everybody, it's Michelle from Jolif here. I'm here today to show you how to assemble the reward chart. It's a new product that we've just released. If you've bought this month's BFF, then this is what you'll receive. You'll have the large star, the smaller bottom star, the 5 reward stars, the ribbon, and the crocodile clips to attach to the small stars. We've just released this on our website, so if you purchase it off our website, you won't get the crocodile clips or the ribbon. You have to buy those separately. And also you can choose how many stars you want. You may want more, but that's up to you. But for this BFF, we've included 5. So first things first, we need to attach the ribbon to the large star. Now, our preferred way of doing it is to make a slit in the back and pop the ribbon in, then pop the glue in, purely because it's the same principle with our bow holders, and especially with the bow holders, there's a bit more weight on them. So that way it is really secure to do it that way, because it's attaching inside to like the felt material. So what you need to do first, make sure you've got your right end. I'm going to do the top one first. So pop your ribbon on, nice and central, and take your marker pen and mark where you want to make your slit in the fabric. Now, of course, bear in mind there are stitches in there and you don't want to cut through the stitches, but it is still really easy to do. You want a really sharp pair of pointy scissors, or even a stitch ripper would do it. So make a hole in your point. Now when you make your hole, you want to be pulling upwards, not digging in because of your stitches. So make a hole, and then now that's quite free, so all the way across to your other point, which I've almost just rubbed out. There you go, and I've not cut through any stitches. As you put your scissors in, there is a little bit of resistance, because when you embroider, you use like a sticky glue, a temporary glue, to affix the fabric to the stabilizer. So you just need to release that a little bit. And then once you've released that, the scissors will go in smoothly. So once you've made your slit, you want to take your ribbon and just poke it in. Round-ended scissors are best for this, but I don't have any to hand at the moment, so these will do. Make sure it's nice and smooth and straight, and then take the other end and pop that in until it's nice and smooth and straight. There we go. Get your glue gun, and you just want to poke your glue gun in the end there, put a bit of glue in there and press down, and that will secure that. So dead easy to do. And then that's the hanging ribbon. I'll do the other bits and we'll speed this bit up a bit so you don't have to sit there watching. So here goes. That is now the first part of the ribbon done. The ribbon is attached securely to the top and to the bottom. Now we want to do the stars. So I'll just put that to one side. So these are the 5 reward stars, and we just attach a 32mm clip to the back of it. All you need to do is to put a line of glue from point to point, and these 32mm clips will fit exactly in that space. So I'm going to do that now. Just position it so it's exactly covered. There's one, and number 2. There we go. Then what I'm going to do is, just to secure it further, is just to attach a little piece of felt there. So pop that in. There we go, and that's the reward star chart made. All you do is to store them so you don't lose them. Pop them on there, and when you want to use them on a good day, just pop them onto the ribbon. It's easier if it's hung on the wall, but there we go. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.